Thought I heard you talking softly. I turn on the lights, the TV and the radio. Still I can't escape the ghost of you. What has happened to it all? Crazy summer say, where is the light that I recognize? Gone away. I don't cry for yesterday. There's an ordinary world somehow I have to find. And this I try to make my way to the ordinary world. I will learn to survive. Passions or coincidence once prompted you to say, pride will tear us both apart. Well now pride gone out the window, cross the rooftops, run away, and left me in the vacuum of my heart. What is happening to me? Crazy summer saying, where is my friend when I need you most? Gone away, but I won't cry for yesterday. There's an ordinary world somehow I have to find. And this I try to make my way to the ordinary world. I will learn to survive. Papers in the roadside tell us suffering and greed. Here today, forgot tomorrow. Here beside the news of holy war and holy need. Ours is just a little sorrow talk. But I don't cry for yesterday. There's an ordinary world somehow